Hello, class. Welcome to the midweek one. And this week we have our class exam one at the end of the week. I hope all of you are completing your coursework for week one for the summer session. So, once again, this weekend, starting today, you have your class exam one that is due, and it is available on SimNet as it's mentioned here. It's available on SimNet. There are two exercises. The exam will be available from today, which is June 5th, all the way till midnight of Sunday, June 7th. Okay. So, to access your exam, log in to your SimNet, and when you log in, make sure you are in the correct class, data 10, summer 2026. If it is showing another class, please make sure you click another class and join this particular class, and then you'll see the exams available. Okay. There are two exercises in Microsoft Word. I would advise all of you to please complete your exam after you have completed this learning, because you need to complete the learning in the 4 chapters here before you do your exam. Okay. So when you click on any of the exams, you can see that there is an exercise that you can download the file. You can complete all the exercise tasks given here. You'll have to complete one by one. And the completed file will look something like this. Save the file. Do not send it to me by email. You will have to submit the file right here, upload your file right here. Because I have not downloaded it yet, this will not get activated. So you have to download your own file from here, and your file does have certain markers. So do not borrow anybody else's file, or do not use a file from another semester or another course. You will have to download the file right here and submit it after completion here, and click grade my file. Okay. Each of you have two attempts on each exercises, meaning you will get another attempt on this. So once when you complete this and submit it, it gives you a grade. It also tells you in red what are the steps you made a mistake. So you could go back and correct those mistakes. The objective here is to have the student get the maximum grade possible. So you will have to go back and work on that again and resubmit the thing. Okay. So the highest of the two attempts will be taken as your grade. Okay. So each exercise you have two attempts to go back. So when you click on this, it will say in the previous attempts, there will be two attempts here. So you can go back and submit it. So please complete the two exercises. Submit it by the 7th, 11:59. Try not to wait until 11:59, because sometimes it does go offline. SimNet, if there is an issue or if there is an update, you may not be able to submit it. So please do not wait until the last 30 minutes or the last half an hour or last 10 minutes. Try to do it as early as possible. Okay. So once again, all these will disappear after the June 7th, because the due date is June 7th. And so please complete all your exercises. I hope all of you are doing your pause and practice exercises, and submit them here in the Dropbox, and I will be grading. And please make sure that you're doing your work, because if you do try to submit somebody else's work or work from another semester or another course, it will give me an integrity violation here. Please do not, you will get a 0 for the whole of Microsoft Word. Okay. So any attempt of integrity violation will get you a 0 in this Microsoft Word part. Okay. So for example, see, when I get warnings when students are trying to submit other people's work as their own work, I will get integrity violation markers. So please try to do your exam by yourself and submit them here. Okay. There are no second chances, no excuses will be given if you are trying to cheat. Okay. So there are two exercises. You will have two attempts on each of the exercises. Okay. Once again, if you click on each of the thing, you will have a file to download. Click on this, download the files you need for that, and then complete all these exercises and then submit them for grading. Okay. And of course, you have your other coursework to complete, your pause and practice exercises from each of the chapters, and your discussions are here too. So there are two discussions. Many of you have submitted. I'm also participating in the discussions. So there are two discussions this week. Try to complete that. Okay. The most important thing is you're learning from the library. So if you click on your library, you should be able to see a Computer Essentials book, read the first 4 chapters for this week. The concept videos are available here, so you can learn the concepts that will help you do in your exam. Okay, so for the final exam though. But this week, our exam is on Microsoft Word. Complete the learning from the pause and practice exercises, complete your discussions, and watch the concept videos and learn the first 4 chapters from the book. Okay. Once again, this is week 1, Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. The exam is available from today, June 5th, all the way until June 7th, which is Sunday. All right, everyone. Good luck.